Eva Trades.
And welcome to Eva Trades, and it's Tuesday, June 13th. I'm watching FWBI, GME, and MGIH. Here are the scans for the day. And the market, what's the market doing? I think it's pulling back at the moment. Yep. But we are trading above yesterday's high. So looks like maybe a day of continuation possibly in the markets. And we have a minute and a half till the market does open. FWBI, the leading gapper this morning, it's up 152%. Made some really nice moves this morning. So it just recently broke out over this previous high right here. And then we have this equilibrium with a bear break. So I have my support levels drawn out. GME, going to need to see a little more volume on that one, but definitely breaking over that high. So we have a new high now up here at whatever level that is, 26.24. And MGIH, I don't know. It's given up a lot of its move. I'm not as excited about it, but we'll see if it gives us something here. I might buy it on a pullback to this support if it does pull back to there. All right, well, the market's about to open. We have 10 seconds. Right away, I'm buying the breakout on FWBI, buying for a breakout on FWBI. See if we get a break through the high. There goes MIGH, or MGIH, rather. Ooh, okay, I might need to use a limit order on this guy. There we go. There we go. Take the profit while I can get it on MGIH. Not a lot, but you know. Looking for a 5-minute higher low on FWBI. Where's my... Okay. And there's a breakout on GME. I'm going to add to the pullback. I'm going to get in on the pullback there. Look for that second move higher. There it is. We'll go ahead and flatten it there. Sure, I'll buy the pullback again on it. Why not? MGIH off of the support. Looking for a break over here on FWBI. Ooh, that was a nice break, but it was so quick I couldn't take the profit on it. Flatten out the trade there. Well, it's too bad on GME coming back like that. FWBI, I'm in it again. Nope, that's not going to work. I'll buy off of that support again. I'm going to add to MGIH as it's moving up. I'm going to add again. Okay, been a little tricky this morning, but I am at my daily goal. Started out kind of rough. Here's a look at the scans. BLDP, SOXL. Yeah, I feel a little, anytime I trade and I start out red on my day, I get to that. Let's see, here's a pullback opportunity. I don't really want to buy it though, because I'm at, like I said, I'm at my daily goal. And especially with this failure, I think we're coming down more. Yep, there we go. But and the nice pullback to the volume weighted average price, that would have been a good dip buy. So I missed a good one there. But yeah, anytime I start my day out in the red, I start to feel it in my nerves and stuff. So now I'm just kind of like, feel like I need to relax a little bit. I'm at my daily goal. I see things dropping here a little bit, so it's kind of like, well, do I really want to keep trading? Several times last week I kept trading and gave back half of my profit and had to stop, and I'm not sure I want to do that today. I think I'm going to be stingy, just hang on to what I got. $100 is a good day. And we're only 5 minutes in. IPX just got halted. Let's take a look and see what that one is. I don't remember seeing that on the gap scan. IPX. I do remember seeing that actually, and I wasn't really interested in it because it made an initial move up and then just started selling off. But now here we are. And I didn't think it had news, but it does have news. Halted up here at 1144. I'm still not interested. Let's get rid of some lines. Okay, we have our low of the day down here. And I have a high of day up here at $3. Looks like we're making a move on FWBI. I just I don't know that I want to buy it though. There's a new candle. We're bouncing on GME off of that support down there. And here we come down to support on MGIH. Open is hitting the scan, OPEN. That one actually looks pretty good. I mean, I could try to jump into it. I just don't know. It's coming up to $3. See if we break through 3 or do we get rejected? We have a new candle coming up here. Hey, look at this. FWBI, really hard rejection. Coming down to this support. Let's see if open, yeah, broke through 3. I thought about buying the breakout, but I would have been in around 296 or so. That wouldn't have made much. And I would have been risking a lot to do that. Neo is hitting the scan as well. Wow. See what SPY's doing. Okay. Back over here. I'll get rid of this. Here we come, right down to here. In a little high there, though. No, I don't like that I'm in so high. I'm just going to get back out. So here we came down close to support. And then a nice big green candle breaking back above this level here. Back testing it. Coming up against the EMAs and the volume weighted average price. Something to be aware of. So in hindsight, open would have been a good trade as it's continuing higher. MGIH still not getting going on its bounce. We could have a bear flag here. Next level of support is down at 267. There we go, breaking through. And we did have a big drop on OPEN, so we're seeing that today. FWBI, on GME, on MGIH, and now over here on Open, seeing these big drops. So now I wonder if we're going to see that on Neo here as well. We do have a level down here if we do drop. There's also a level here, previous hive day that we broke through. $9 overhead. Interesting here. We got through all of this stuff here. GME 32-cent range on that candle. A new 1-minute candle coming up. Could try to buy a pullback to 26. And I'm just taking the profit quickly. And FWBI breaking through our downtrending line here. Man, the scanners are just lighting up this morning. Okay, we're up above 9 now on Neo. So it's a screaming higher. Bear flag possible on open. Not anymore. Coming on down. We have a support there. I'm not going to trade open, but, you know. Okay, so we broke that level. This level actually needs to go away. That's our high of day. Yeah, you know, wishing I would have gotten in FWBI down here on this support level. You can see that would have been a really nice entry. So our low of day on this one is now down at 278. Just looking for a bounce, not looking to make a move back up to 342. This looks good. You had this inside bar, bull break. But I'm not going to be buying any breakouts right now. I'm just not feeling that. Okay, Neo is pulling back now. We'll see if it drops hard and fast like the other ones have been doing, or if we get a nice controlled pullback. I also kind of like FWBI here. You had a bear break on this inside bar, but now the bull's buying the dip. So it's notable the high red volume candles here. That can be a red flag to be careful. So now we're going to have a new candle here. This does look good for a move. I'm not going to jump in it. FWBI. Look at this here. Could try to buy a pullback. Yeah. I got my money. I'm going to close my trading windows down below because I'm afraid that I might accidentally be tempted to trade something and then give back half of my profit and then have to stop below my daily goal. And I really want to hit that daily goal. So, and as choppy as things, well, not choppy so much, but you know, we've seen some drops today. So I'm just not sure. I just want to see if we get any breaks through the highs here on GME or FWBI. So we have an equilibrium in the making on FWBI. You get your high, low. This could be a lower high if we drop back down below this low of this candle. And then we'd be scouting a higher low somewhere above 280. So, okay, there we go. Now this is a lower high. Could this be our higher low? We have an inside bar and an inside bar on the 5 minute. So anytime you have inside bars, you look at a lower time frame for the equilibrium. Technically, this is part of it too. High, low, lower high, higher low, lower high. Could this be our higher low? Got a flat top breakout set up here on GME, and there it is. That's the break. And Neo didn't drop. It actually, nice controlled pullback to this level right here. Right to it. And then now we're looking up at the high of 907. GME still taking its time here. Yep. Well, I'm about to shut down the live stream. I mean, since I'm not trading anymore, I just kind of wanted to watch and see if we have anything break out over the highs here. And I think GME is going to do it. And then once it does, look out. I mean, it might continue higher the rest of the day. Who knows? You notice here on FWBI so far on our equilibrium, we did break the low of 280, but I don't really consider this much of a break because it only broke by a penny. So I'm still saying this is a double bottom. Now, okay, now there's the break. That's a convincing break. Coming down to that support, our next support is down at 261. Now we have a double bottom pretty much down here at 265. GME failed to break. We have a red candle now. But as long as we maintain higher lows, we're in good shape. NEO over here, breaking through its support, but not by much. An open coming down to this support. The market overall pulling back pretty good. To be expected though, it was a gap up open. See that? So I wouldn't be surprised if we come down and retest 433.88 before turning around. We might see it pull back for a little while today before hitting that level. Oftentimes you'll see a gap fill, although not every time, like we didn't see it back here. But it does happen. Here's where we saw it. We had a gap up open and it filled, but then we didn't get the bounce. So further consolidation on NEO coming down to our support of 882 and that volume weighted average price. And we did not get the break on GME. We lost our higher lows. So yeah, that could be a sign that the market is going to be pulling back here for a while, maybe, based on the fact that we're seeing these stocks pull back. Anyways, I'm up at my daily goal, and I'm not trading anymore today, so I'm going to get out of here, go do my trade review, and I hope your trading is going well today. Thanks for tuning in and watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.